Hello and welcome to the mp3.Academy YouTube channel. In this episode, we're going to talk about learning to set SMART goals with mp3.Academy. I'm excited to guide you through how our platform can help you master the art of setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals that will transform the way you approach both your personal and professional ambitions. Whether you're looking to enhance your productivity, pursue long-term projects, or achieve meaningful milestones in your life, mp3.Academy provides the tools and strategies to help you create a clear roadmap for success. Together, we'll dive into the power of SMART goals, how they can sharpen your focus, and give you the motivation to stay committed to your dreams. Let's get started on this journey to setting effective goals that truly matter. Learning how to set SMART goals is one of the most effective ways to ensure that you stay on track toward achieving your long-term aspirations. At mp3.Academy, we teach you how to create goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By using this framework, you can avoid setting vague or unrealistic goals that lead to frustration and inaction. Instead, SMART goals give you a clear path to follow, making your progress easy to track and your objectives more attainable. This powerful tool helps you break down big dreams into manageable steps that lead to meaningful success. For our complete list of mp3.Academy audio modules, I invite you to visit our website at mp3.Academy. In the Shop section, you can browse and choose the product that best fits your needs right now. To keep it affordable, each module has a minimum price, but if you'd like to support mp3.Academy, you're welcome to pay a price of your choice. To keep your learning experience engaging, mp3.Academy modules feature two different voices, one feminine and one masculine. You can switch between them to keep the approach fresh and appealing. One of the most important components of SMART goals is ensuring that they are specific. When your goals are too broad or undefined, it becomes difficult to measure progress or know where to start. At mp3.Academy, we emphasize the importance of narrowing down your goals to include clear details. For example, instead of setting a goal to get fit, a more specific goal would be run 3 times a week for 30 minutes. The more detailed your goal, the easier it becomes to take action and move forward. The second element of a SMART goal is that it must be measurable. This means that you need to be able to track your progress and know when you've reached your goal. At mp3.Academy, we show you how to set benchmarks that help you measure your success. For instance, if your goal is to save money, a measurable goal would be to save a specific amount, such as save $500 a month for 6 months. Having measurable criteria gives you motivation and helps you stay focused, as you can easily see the progress you're making toward achieving your goal. A SMART goal should also be achievable, meaning it must be realistic and within your capabilities. At mp3.Academy, we guide you through the process of setting goals that stretch you without overwhelming you. For example, if you've never run before, it may not be realistic to set a goal of running a marathon next month. Instead, a more achievable goal would be to build up to running 5 kilometers. By setting achievable goals, you create a sense of momentum and avoid the frustration that comes from setting goals that are too difficult to attain. Relevance is another key aspect of setting SMART goals. A relevant goal aligns with your broader values and long-term objectives. At mp3.Academy, we teach you how to ensure that your goals are meaningful and connected to your overall life direction. For example, if your long-term goal is to advance your career, setting a goal to complete a professional certification would be highly relevant. When your goals are aligned with your values and aspirations, you're more likely to stay committed and motivated to achieve them. The final component of a SMART goal is that it must be time-bound. Without a deadline, it's easy to procrastinate or lose focus. At mp3.Academy, we help you set realistic timelines for your goals, ensuring that you have a clear time frame in which to accomplish them. For example, rather than saying, "I want to write a book," a time-bound goal would be, "I will write the first draft of my book within 6 months." A deadline creates a sense of urgency, pushing you to take action and stay accountable. One of the major benefits of setting SMART goals is that they provide clarity. When you know exactly what you want to achieve and how you're going to do it, you remove the uncertainty that often leads to inaction. At mp3 Academy, we show you how to gain clarity through SMART goals, which helps you eliminate confusion and stay focused on the tasks that will bring you closer to success. Clear goals create a direct path forward, making it easier to maintain momentum and avoid distractions. In addition to clarity, SMART goals also offer accountability. When your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, it's easier to hold yourself accountable for the progress you're making. At mp3 Academy, we encourage you to regularly review your goals, track your progress, and make adjustments as needed. By keeping yourself accountable, you're more likely to stay motivated and ensure that you're making consistent strides toward your objectives. Another key advantage of SMART goals is that they help you stay motivated. At mp3 Academy, we understand that motivation often comes from seeing tangible progress. When you break your larger goals into smaller, more manageable steps, it's easier to celebrate small victories along the way. Each milestone you achieve reinforces your belief in your ability to succeed, fueling your motivation to keep going until you reach your ultimate goal. Setting SMART goals also allows you to measure success more effectively. At mp3 Academy, we teach you how to define success for each goal by establishing clear metrics and deadlines. This allows you to see concrete results and know when you've reached your target. By measuring your success in this way, you can evaluate your efforts, learn from any challenges you encounter, and refine your approach for future goals. In conclusion, learning to set SMART goals with the guidance of mp3 Academy can transform the way you approach your personal and professional development. SMART goals give you the structure and clarity needed to make steady progress toward your aspirations. By focusing on specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, you create a clear roadmap to success. This method not only keeps you accountable and motivated, but also provides the confidence and direction needed to achieve your long-term dreams.